This is video reflection number 4 on social structure and social interaction. And one thing through chapter 5 that really stood out to me was the different types of societies. For example, the foraging societies, which was based on sustenance. It was sustenance dependent and based on hunting and foraging in places such as Africa and other underdeveloped countries. And there's pastoral societies, which are nomadic, and they're slightly more developed than the foraging societies, and that's such as the Middle East and places like that. There's horticultural societies. They're relatively permanent settlements, such as the ancient Aztecs, the Inca, and I found that particularly interesting. Then there's also agricultural societies, and that's more like the old style of how the US was in the South, the pre-Civil War South. And there's also, and all of those fall under pre-industrial societies. And there's industrial societies, which are more like how we are now in the US and other countries. And there's post-industrial societies, which are more like after everything happened, after the Civil War, after all the wars, after everything. That's more like how we are today. And an industrial society is more like how we were in the 20th and 19th century. I found these things particularly interesting.